व्हाट एमपीसी डिस्कस, जो एमपीसी का मीटिंग हुआ होता है उसमें डिस्कशन क्या हुआ है, किसके बारे में डिस्कस होता है? फर्स्ट, द मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक आउटलुक. You must be knowing what is micro and macro. Prices and costs. Micro is related to individual. Micro is small, so it is always related to individual. Okay. So and macro is big. It is related to the nation. ठीक है, ये पूरे नेशन का इकोनॉमी, जीडीपी, ये सब देखता है. Prices and cost, that is inflation. Demand and output, financial markets and liquidity condition, and the external environment. These are the main things on which the discussion takes place in a monetary policy committee. And where the monetary policy is injected to Indian system, Indian banking system, it is as per the section 45ZB of RBI Act. Very important for static point of view. Please stay connected. जितना लेट हुआ आप लोगों को ज्वाइन करने में, अभी now you will get 100 times more knowledge than you waited. Okay, जितना आपने इंतजार किया है, इंतजार का, सब्र का फल हमेशा मीठा होता है. देखिए किस तरह का कंटेंट हम लाए हैं. ठीक है, इसको मैं आधे घंटे में खत्म करने वाला था, आपके लिए पूरा पढ़ाएंगे आज. MPC constituted by the central government by RBI Act 1934. The first meeting of MPC held in 2016. ठीक है, there is a and this committee decides the key policy rates including repo, reverse repo, MSF, liquidity adjustment facility, and now there is a new addition called SDF. Okay, SDF का full form क्या है बताइए कमेंट में. There is a 6-member monetary policy committee and the Reserve Banks of Monetary Policy Department, MPD, assists the monetary policy committee in forming the policy. Okay, and they take the CPI inflation as the parameter to discuss to formalize the rate on inflation. तो मेजरली इन्फ्लेशन को रोकने के लिए मॉनिटरी पॉलिसी कमेटी का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. MPC is a combination of 3 members from RBI and 3 nominated from the central government, and RBI governor being the ex officio chairman of the MPC. What do we mean by ex officio? Being the virtue of in the chair. ठीक है, वो ऑफिस में होने के कारण से उनको कमिटी में लिया गया है. ठीक है, शक्तिकांत दास एक्स ऑफिशियो चेयरमैन. एक्स ऑफिशियो मतलब as long as he is in the position of RBI governor, he is the chairman. So who is the chairman of the MPC? Not Shaktikant Das, not Mr. Shaktikant Das, but the RBI governor. If in the place of Mr. Shaktikant Das, you and me will be appointed as the RBI governor, we will be the chairperson. So he is called the ex officio chairman. Being in the virtue of the office, he is appointed as the chairman. Okay, Michael Devvrat Patra, one of the deputy governors of RBI, and Rajiv Ranjan, executive director of RBI. These are the fixed members appointed by RBI. These are from RBI, members from RBI, and these are nominated by Government of India. Asima Goyal, Sasank Vide, Jayant Verma. You can see them in the photographs. Clear? अभी ये मेंबर हैं, आपको आ सकता है एग्जाम में, who are nominated, who is not nominated. Okay, who among them is not a RBI in the RBI monetary policy. Okay, some facts about MPC. The setting of committee for the monetary policy is Urjit Patel committee. He was then the deputy governor. The members of MPC needs to observe a silent period of 7 days before and after the decision of utmost confidentiality. The meeting of MPC are held at least 4 times a year, specifically at least once every quarter. ठीक है, ये मिनिमम नंबर है, और आजकल बाई मंथली होता है, यानी कि 6 बार होता है मिनिमम. किसी भी हाल में 4 बार तो मीटिंग मैंडेटरी है ही है. बट टुडे nowadays it is a bi-monthly monetary policy committee, so it could be 6 times. Okay, in the year 2021 there are 7 meetings. There are 7 meetings because in the year 2020 there were 5 meetings due to COVID-19. Okay, so in 2021 there are 7 meetings. That compensated the earlier fault. Clear? तो MPC से पहले क्या था, कोई पूछ ले सवाल. There was a technical advisory committee, TAC, which was deciding the key rates for reserve for the RBI. Clear? मेंबर्स ऑफ द एमपीसी आर अपॉइंटेड फॉर ए पीरियड ऑफ 4 इयर्स। मैं एमसीक्यू में भी पूछने वाला हूं, ये सब चीज को ध्यान में रखिए। ठीक है, क्वेश्चन बहुत ज्यादा यहीं से बनता है।